If you want 360-degree animation of your model, just select that, go there, select the PNG sequence and location, check hide other object and clean viewport. Zoom in a little bit and click on render turnaround. So because I have selected a wireframe, it gives me the sequence of images of this model. Let's try it on another object. I will select this closet. This time I will select a solid with a show wireframe and I will click again. So here you go. You have 360 images of this model. So the add-on name is Orbit 360. It is designed to create 360-degree turnaround animation directly from your viewport. In a normal case, if I want 360-degree animation, first of all, I'll have to place my camera. Currently, my camera is looking like that. I'll have to place that near to my object. Then I will go in a view, lock the camera to the view, and I will place it there. From here we have two options. Either I can put the keyframe on an object or on a camera. Choose the camera because that is more easy for me. So I will add the empty on a place of an object. Now I will select the camera, shift select the empty and click on Ctrl P to set the parent. Now if I go in a top view and rotate the empty like that, our camera will rotate. We will use that. Let's bring the timeline. I will add the keyframe over here. Press the K key for this menu, and if you are using old version of Blender, you can press the I key. I will set the rotation. Let's bring our cursor to here, and on a Z axis, I will write down 360 and add the keyframe again. What it does, our camera will rotate like that. Let's see it with the camera view. Now I will select my object and press Shift H. It will hide all the objects except the selected one, and I will hide the overlays. So this is the manual method to create the turn around 360-degree animation. So as you have seen, the Orbit 360 add-on actually remove all these steps and turn the entire process into a few clicks. Like I will just select the model, click on material preview and click on render. The add-on link is in the description. Thanks for watching. See you again.